Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies, showing off the Auto Finish, brand new machine here at Vapor Hunting Technologies. We have a HMI touchscreen here for all of the programming on this machine, so you can set up all of your blasting parameters. It has a max height travel of 15 inches. This has a 12-inch diameter turntable in it currently at the moment. This is a dual purpose machine that you'll find out later on. But right now it's set up for automatically vapor honing. So if you could fit a part on this 12-inch turntable and that's no higher than 15 inches, you can automatically blast parts. Huge game changer in the industry. This is a $15,000 product, introductory price. It will be more, but we are breaking this thing out into the market right now. An incredible looking machine that you can put in your workshop, in your CNC shop, in your mechanic shop, that will sit here and automatically blast parts. But check out this turntable, 12-inch diameter, 15-inch Z height of travel. And this gun will bounce back and forth. We can also have it step in increments as well, whatever your process needs or demands. But this machine is an awesome compact design. Brand new for Vapor Hunting Technologies, the brand new Auto Finish. If you guys have questions, reach out to the sales team for more information. Thanks for watching.